friends, myself Subrata Mukherjee. At the outset, I would like to request all the students viewing my channel to note the problem in your notebook before you start. And today I will discuss a problem on departmental accounting.
The following purchases were made by Goodluck and Company having three departments. Department A 1500 units, Department B 2500 units, Department C 3000 units at a total cost of rupees 1,18,000. Stock on 1st April 2019. Department A 150 units, Department B 200 units, Department C 250 units. Sales during 2019-20. Department A 1400 units at rupees 18 each. Department B 2400 units at rupees 24 each. Department C 2700 units at rupees 30 each. The rate of gross profit is the same in each case. Other expenses were salaries 18,200, printing and stationery 4,550, rent 2,000, interest paid 2,730, depreciation 3,640, allocate rent in the ratio of 2:2:1 and other expenses in the ratio of departmental gross profits. Prepare departmental trading and profit and loss account. Problem. The working is very important. And the first working that I will do here is to calculate the GP rate. So, what is the quantity of goods sold? It is given, but the purchase rate is not given. So, total cost of purchase is given. So, we have to make an assumption that if the entire purchase is sold out. So department A, B, C. So this is the quantity of purchase: 1500 unit, 2500 unit and 3000 unit. And what is the selling price per unit? This is 18, 24 and 30. So 27,000. Next is 60,000 and 90,000. So if the entire purchase is sold out, it will be sold out at 1,77,000. And what is the total cost of purchase? Cost of purchase is given as 1,18,000. So GP will be expected. So this is our expected GP. This is 59,000. Therefore, your GP rate will be 59,000 divided by 1,77,000 into 100. So this gives you 33 1/3% or 1/3. The next working is calculation of cost price. So department A, B, C. So selling price minus GP will give you cost price. So your selling price is 18 minus 1/3 into 18. So this is your gross profit. So 1/3 into 18 is 6. So 18 minus 6 is equal to 12. So this is the cost price. So cost price. So cost price of department A is 12 rupees per unit. For B, this will be selling price is 24 minus 1/3 of 24. So 24 minus 8 is 16. So cost of purchase for department B is 16 per unit. And for C, this will be 30 minus 1/3 of 30 is 30 minus 10 is 20 rupees per unit. The third working is calculation of closing stock. So department ABC, your opening stock is given at 150 units, 200 units, and 250 units. A purchase in unit is given as 1500, 2500 and 3000. A sales unit is given as 1400, then 2400 and 2700. So what is the units in closing stock? So closing stock in units, this will be opening stock. So closing stock is calculated at opening stock at purchase less sales. So for department B, this will be 300, and for department C, this will be 550. The next working is regarding the valuation of closing stock, valuation of opening stock, purchase, valuation of closing stock and sales. So I will prepare a column. So department A, B, C. Next is the cost price. Cost is rupees 12, 16 and 20. So opening stock, we have units and amount. So your unit is 150, 200, 250. So value is 1800, 3200 and 5000. Then is closing stock. So closing stock in units and amount. So unit is 250, 300, 550 and amount is 3000, 4800, 11,000. So the rate I have mentioned here, the cost 12 into 150 is 1800, 12 into 250 is 3000, 16 into 200 is 3200, 16 into 300 is 4800, 20 into 250 is 5000, 20 into 550 is 11,000. And then the purchase, so unit and amount. So your unit is, purchase unit is 1500. So your value of purchase for department A will be 18,000. So 1500 into 12. Next is 2500 units into 16. So this is 40,000, and 3000 units into 20 will give you 60,000. And sales, unit and amount. So department A, B and C, sales 1400, 2400 and 2700. So this is at the rate of 18. So 25,200 at the rate 24. So this will give you 57,600 and at the rate rupees 30. So this is 81,000. So this is the fourth working, and another working I will prepare later on. So I have prepared all the workings, so I will just put the values here. So to opening stock, so this is the in the books of Good Luck and Company, Departmental Trading and Profit and Loss account for the year ended 31st March 2019. So to opening stock, so in the working I have found out the value of opening stock, which is at 1800, then 3200 and 5000. So you will find this value in working number 4. The next item is to purchase. So this is also available in working number 4. So this is 18,000, 40,000 and 60,000. Then buy, sales 25,200 we have found in working, 57,600 and 81,000. Then buy closing stock, this will be 3,000, 4,800 and 11,000. To GP, CD, this is 88,400, then 19,200 and 27,000. So this is the balancing figure, and 28,200 is the total of Department A, 28,200, then 62,400 and 92,000. Then we have to prepare the PL account. So by GP BD, so this is 8,400, 19,200 and 27,000. So we have to prepare another workings. It is given that the rent will be allocated in 2:2:1. So rent for Department A will be 800, that is 2 by 5 into 2000. For Department B it will also be 800, and for Department C this will be 400. And about other expenses it is given. So salaries 18,200, printing and stationery 4,550, interest 2730 and depreciation 3640. So total other expenses is 29,120. Now this expense will be allocated in the GP ratio. So for Department A, 8,400 is the gross profit of the department and divided by 54,600. So this is the gross profit of the total all the department into 29,120. This is the total of other expenses. So for Department A, other expenses that will be allocated will be 4,480. For Department B, similarly, the gross profit of Department B is 19,200 divided by 54,600 into 29,120. So this will be given calculated at 10,240. And for Department C, so 27,000 is the gross profit divided by 54,600 into 29,120. So this is 14,400. So in the PL account, I just put the values of other expenses 4480, 10,240 and 14,400, and the rent is allocated in the ratio of 2:2:1, that is 800, 800 and 400, and the net profit is the balancing figure 3120, 8160 and 12,200. So this is the departmental trading and PL account in one screen.
You have understood the problem, and students who are viewing my channel, I would like to request them to subscribe my channel to get regular updates and to see the playlist section of the channel to see the videos that I have uploaded there. Thank you.